You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. Rotate the end of the lever to low for low-speed wipers. Turn it to high for high-speed wipers. For some weather conditions, you might want to use the intermittent wiper feature. Just rotate the control to the first position for one of the intermittent settings. You can set the delay cycle anywhere between 1 to 18 seconds, and it varies according to vehicle speed. For washer spray, pull and hold the lever toward you. The spray will stop when you release the lever, and the wiper will operate for 2 more wipe cycles. To activate a single wipe cycle, just pull up on the lever. It's a great way to clear off road mist or spray from a passing vehicle. You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn it to the second position for headlights. If you turn it to the auto position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on surrounding light levels. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or low-beam headlights, then push in the headlight control switch. Push it a second time to turn the fog lights off. The dimmer control switch controls your instrument panel and ambient lighting. With the parking lights or headlights on, rotate the dimmer control to adjust the brightness of the instrument panel lights and the interior and ambient light levels. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.